All right, so my wife and I are going to go on a little excursion to Samal to visit some friends, right?
Yeah,
so,
we are. We're excited to go.
Exactly. So we're going to take you with us and just come on a ride. We're going to go take the bike, so it should be fun. Let's do this. We're going to take the adventure ride today since we don't know what to expect when you go to Samal. So we'll go. Hopefully we can get back in time for the kids' pickup. So anyway, let's ride this. Going up again.
Please remove your helmet. Please remove your helmet.
None? Oh. You gotta remove your helmet when you come here. All the way there? Okay. New laws. Didn't used to have to do that, but now we got to. That's beautiful Samal over there. Woo. And that's where we sit. Right here. Chilling out on the ferry to Samal. It's gonna look really weird to folks looking at me because I'm actually speaking to my helmet. The GoPro's on the helmet, but it doesn't matter. We got us some sweet corn. Look at this. Oh yeah, see that? Sweet corn. All right, ferry ride is very quick and short here, so we're gonna head back on the bike and head across. Look, you can see. Thanks, brother. Hey, brother. How much is it, bro? Bila? 30 minutes. There you go. Selamat, brother. All right. Bro. Anything happen, Chief? Yeah, yeah. Go ahead, brother. Thank you, sir. Selamat, brother. Take care. God bless you, Chief. done now, meeting some great friends here in Samal. So we're back on the boat on our way back to the mainland.
Yeah, the water's picking up, so it's time to get back.
Yep, time to head back. So get back on the horse. The boat is moving now, so we should head back to Davao City and keep on rolling. We got to pick up the kids from school anyway, so better run.